Hi, my name is Sarah Ackley, and I'm here to show you the CAPA Management application, which is part of our Tulip library. CAPAs are a crucial part of any good quality management system, also known as a QMS. And the main purpose of CAPAs is to be able to track and put in place corrective and preventative actions so that you can better maintain quality within the product or service that you are delivering. And a big benefit of using this CAPA management application is that you're turning your CAPAs into a digital form. And with this, you're able to do a handful of things such as, first of all, you have your data all in one place. So, there's no longer the piece of paper that, coffee was spilled on or fell on the floor or anything like that. You have all of your data in one place, centralized. Second thing being, you're able to then trend your data. So you're able to really see and gain insights about how you're improving your quality management system over time. And so hopefully that results in a reduction of quality issues, quality events, that kind of thing. And the third thing being is communication and being able to ping and notify and really enforce a kind of system and flow to managing these CAPAs within the organization. So you can reduce time spent on them and really start to see that trend over time. So let's dive into the application a bit. The cool thing about this application actually is that it was stemmed from an internal need. So we have our own quality management system and we needed a better way to manage our CAPAs. And so we built this application as a way for us ourselves at Tulip headquarters to be able to continuously improve and track our CAPAs. The one thing that I will say before I get started is that this is a GXP application, which means you can reach out to support@tulip.co if you are interested in using this in a GXP environment, and we can provide to you an operational flow diagram, a risk assessment, as well as a testing plan so that you can download, install, and start using this in a GXP environment really quite fast. So cool, let's get started. So here's the CAPA Management application. You come in here and you can create a new event. We have a quality event application, and within the quality event, you can automatically create a CAPA, but we also know that, outcomes of audits and things like that can require standalone CAPAs. So here's a way to just, make your own CAPA and submit. This is totally an example, not something that we actually have experienced, but just using an example. So as you can see here, Tulip automatically filled in the date, but that's something that you can easily customize. This is just making it a bit easier on the user. And here you can link to a quality event and also take a photo if that is relevant to you. So go ahead and submitted the CAPA. You can see here we do have SMS functionality. You can customize it to whoever you want, but when the event does get reported, you can notify someone that the event was reported so that they can quickly go in and assess and hopefully streamline the process. This ticket automatically was assigned a status of in process, so now I'm brought to the screen where I only have a few options of things I can do to this ticket. So edit description, complete, or comment. So I come in here and update, add your bullet points here, and then the evidence of completion. Go ahead and click submit. And also there's controls on some of those forms so that you're not able to move it to the next stage until all of the necessary information has been compiled. And now you can see this automatically changed status in review and also assigned to our quality representative. So you can obviously change that to what fits your needs. Then if you come in here, our quality representative can now assess, accept, or reject. They have the high-level information over here about the description, the root cause, all the fields we filled in, and then there's the step-by-step information over here, which is the entire history of everything that was updated about the particular event. So they can go ahead and accept with a quality signature. Now we can see that the event has gone to closed and you should have all the necessary information. So now to take a look at how we're doing as a whole, we can see, what's pending. These are the open items that are pending here. And so you can obviously build on top of this a way to manage, reassign, all that kind of thing. At a quick glance, any new events, any events that have been closed. Here's a breakdown of, what's in each of the different statuses. You obviously could trend this over time to make sure that, maybe you never want more than 10 items in progress kind of thing. And then here is looking at the duration over time. So of the CAPAs that have been closed, what is the duration of those and what is the average duration? Again, you can trend this over time and easily see how you're performing. And then the one other thing here is this is showing me anything that's linked to the CAPA. I can pull up, for example, this has a quality event linked, and this is showing me all the information related to that. Again, another option here, I know a handful of people maybe manage their quality events in a different system. So you can use our connector functions to connect the two systems together and be able to bridge the gap between your quality events and your CAPAs and have all the information and view it in one place. And then the very last thing is a feedback form. So continuous improvement is across the board on everything. So if any employee using this application has an idea, a bug they want to report, or any form of continuous improvement, you can connect your employees by sending, having an email, or just could send a text, however you want to customize it. But this is a way for anyone to really be able to communicate and give feedback so that they all are part of this process. So that is our CAPA management application. If you have any feedback, any questions, any concerns, contact us at support@tulip.co, and we look forward to helping you improve your CAPAs.